How to fix missing apps on your Samsung phone. Now in order to fix the missing apps on Samsung phone, you just simply need to go to your home screen and hold it for a while until this setting option appear. Now just simply select settings option and go to this hide apps on home and app screen option by scrolling a bit. Just simply tap to this option and it will open this page. Now these applications which are selected at the very top are the applications missing from my phone. Now you can also check if you have these applications hidden, which makes this app go missing sometimes. That's why the applications were missing from your phone. Now in order to get it back, just simply tap to this minus icon like this, and after doing it for how many apps you want, then tap to done button and your application will come back as before. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.